stage on early. The Redmond Kiwanis Vintners Dinner is just around the corner, and it's one of the most impactful nights of the year for our community. Funding derived from this event has allowed us to build playgrounds, award scholarships, support holiday drives, create youth leadership programs, and form partnerships that raise the quality of life for families across our region. When you attend the Vintners Dinner, you're not just enjoying an evening out, you're investing in Redmond's future. Kiwanis of Redmond has proudly hosted a veritable array of "What are you doing here, good time, John?" I'm making a serious appeal for civic engagement. Yes, that too. An evening at the Vintners Dinner is a celebration of craftsmanship and connection. Each course is thoughtfully paired with exceptional wines. You'll hear the stories behind the bottles, meet the makers, and enjoy dishes designed to elevate every sip. Yes, it's delicious. In addition to the incredible meal, there's live music, silent and live auctions, and tables full of soon-to-be friends. You may arrive with people you know, but you'll leave knowing even more. And don't forget the golden ticket. There's a chance to win a prize worth hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Who knows what adventure waits? You're right. Whether you're community-minded, you can make a real difference. We'll see you at the Redmond Kiwanis